Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and bringing you a nice little mountain house here.
Going backwards,
we're going to
starting from the top
and we're going to work our way back outside. This is going to be a nice little short sweet video that we won't really cut into it much, but I just want to show you this little view that you would have got from your bedroom, which is lovely. But you might have got the old rails. This isn't like the time capsules we normally do, but it isn't.
This is one that we actually did find.
Yeah,
driving past.
we found this driving past, so yeah, we're going through it, haven't we? Thought we'd have a little look. Look at that, the fireplace all boarded up.
Windows are so low down.
They are, aren't they? Makes it a bit weird. I don't get why the windows would be so low like that, but they are. But hey ho, guys! If you like the content we chuck out, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that like, drop us a comment, let us know what you think. This is only a cheeky little 5-minute video, so we're going to try and make it 5 minutes. I hope you enjoy it. Right, look. That curtain. Don't know if that. Oh, that window overlooks that.
Is it
That little hallway down there. No, that's that little hallway. Come down the stairs. As you'll see, front door is smashed in. Absolutely nothing there. Come into the. Must have been, I'd say, the living room. This goes underneath the stairs. Got all the old wallpaper in there. Don't know why there's a wallpaper there. Bloody hell. You've got all these little bottles.
It's just weird, isn't it?
Yeah, they're just like perched here on the side. I imagine someone must have done some nice pictures and that along there.
Yeah, probably.
But no, it's nice. Well, I thought that might have been the front room, but then this one here might be a dining room. Possibly, but there's a fireplace here.
Yeah, but it's all wardrobe, unless they bought the furniture downstairs.
I might have bought the furniture. Yeah, you've got wardrobe here. Another one there. Oh, by the way, I love these old light switches. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, the design on that's quite nice, isn't it?
They're all like shiny like that.
But yeah, look, all the wardrobes.
Like proper old school.
It is old school. And I'll show the roof.
Peeling.
Roof's all peeling and flaking and that.
Pretty cool actually.
I do, I like these little mountain houses. It's a shame they ain't got nothing, you know, they ain't got a lot in. Simply because in the time.
Layers of wallpaper.
There is, isn't there? Let's all come down here in this corridor. Looks like this. This looks like it might be like a pantry. Something like that. But they hung all their stuff up.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. I say pantry, but no, kitchen.
it's a kitchen.
It's kitchen because you've got the cooker on and off their socket. So this is
Definitely a kitchen.
this one's the kitchen. Yeah. I was looking at the side then, thinking
Yeah.
I should come down here. Into the bathroom. See, now this is probably like one of the most intact rooms here. Look at the bath,
That's where the window comes.
the sink. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, the window from top. There's even toilet roll
Oh no, man.
still left there. It's mental.
Good wallpaper.
And that's what I'm saying, like the wallpaper's all like peeling off, but then you look at the ceiling
It's
and it's all
birds
coming
have made
down.
nests everywhere and
Yeah. But this is probably one of the most intact rooms. There's that window. The stairs looks over this corridor. Then come to what I assume would have been a living room, but simply because of the old furniture that's been left here. Another nice little fireplace there. Got all nice drawers, cabinets, all that. Imagine that's where they would have put all their stuff. I think it's a, what's that there? There's that bird's nest in there.
There's actually a roll of wallpaper down there. I think it was on the bathroom.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Oh god, yeah, there
That
is.
one on the bathroom?
Yeah, I think it was. And come outside. Whoa, it is nice. A nice day. A nice sunny, cool day. And this is the outside of it. And this is like sort of what we're looking for when we're driving in these places, as you'll see. Got a few barns and that here. Loads of these farmhouses just dotted around. Tons of them. Tyres and old farmyard bits in there. Trailer and that in there. Oh my god, that sun's bright, isn't it? Oh look. You got all the wool and hay. All in all, it's a nice place.
Oh my god, is that pink?
Yeah, I think that's wool in there, Megs. And that's the end of it. Just a nice quick one. Thought we'd chuck this on here. Sort of go back to your roots a little bit, innit? This is the stuff that we used to do when we first started. Used to find places like this. And I still like these sort of places, so
I do as well.
yeah, they've got some character to it.
It's not all about, you know, the things that you find in there. It's about the derelictism. Is that a word?
I don't know.
The decayed. Yeah, I know what I'm about.
Right guys, if you like that, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, drop us a comment, let us know what you think, and we will catch you on the next one. Be happy?
I'm happy.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.